Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Delphi mass airflow sensor. The model number is AF10116. And so the packaging does look a little different than I expected, but don't worry, that's not the airflow sensor we're reviewing. And so when I initially took this thing out, I was like, what the heck? This isn't the airflow sensor I ordered, but don't worry, that's actually a metal case around that, which can be pulled off if you choose to, and it reveals the actual sensor inside. It comes with some screws and a tool to remove it. And now you can see here, I've removed the metal casing that I was telling you about on the outside. So once you get that removed, you can reveal the actual map sensor. And for those of you that probably watch this to see the plugs, to see the prongs, I won't be showing you how to install this. If you want to know how to install it, I can tell you or record a video for you, but it's really not necessary because it only has 2 screws on it. This is just a product review. Enjoy.